Hi there, Alistair from starting a Shopify store from scratch. In today's video, it's going to be very short and sweet. It's just a general overview of an online store by Shopify. Very basic video. All I want to do is go through this one page and then end it. We'll then move on to the next video tomorrow. So, what is Shopify? Shopify is a platform that gives you the ability to build an e-commerce store from scratch. You've got a choice of over 70 professional and free templates to choose from. You can customize everything. They are made for responsive mobile devices, which means that your store looks great no matter whether it's online via a desktop or a mobile device, tablet or whatever else. It's always going to look great no matter what device people use to find your store. Obviously, Shopify integrates with many payment providers, and it allows you to quickly and easily integrate payment systems with your Shopify store, giving you over 100 external payment gateways that you can use to collect money from any payments you make or have received online. Obviously, a shop is built specifically with building a business and creating sales, and everything is made simple so that you can get up and running quickly, understand what's happening to your store from day to day, get notified whenever you make a sale, and you can track your analytics and make sure that your store is making a profit as you want it to. Marketing is simplified, everything is there for you. There are apps that you can use to extend the functionality of your store. All the websites provided or themes provided by Shopify are SEO optimized, which makes sure that your content will be found online, provided that you follow SEO best practices. Obviously, there is plenty of information available through Shopify itself, where you can go and learn how to SEO optimize your site yourself. So as I've said, Shopify has many apps that you can use to extend the functionality of your store. You can take your store on the go using the mobile app. You can also track and monitor all your inventory, making sure that you've always got stock available so that you never run out and customers are left hanging. And shipping is simplified with apps that you can install. Everything is tracked. You can send tracking notifications once something is sold, create labels, invoices, etc. Everything can be done within Shopify. Automation is also a big feature of Shopify, which makes your life so much simpler because you don't need to sit on your computer working away every single moment of the day. Set up automation once and let everything run automatically in the background. All you focus on is building a business and marketing. That's it. As I've said, there are hundreds, maybe even thousands of apps within Shopify that you can use to upgrade or integrate with your store to make it function much better than you could ever imagine. I highly urge you to try and see if Shopify is the right solution for you. I'm sure it is, especially if you're just starting out in the e-commerce field. Very simple to use, plug and play, drag and drop, building. Very, very simple. Shopify also provides you all the information you could ever want to know how to build your store, how to grow it, and how to market it. Just have a look at the bottom here. There are plenty of links for you to follow. There's your URL to go and look at it. Also, you can click in our description below and it'll take you to this page. If you have any questions or you like this kind of content, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the description or underneath the description box. We always like to hear what you think of the content we create. Thanks so much. See you in the next video.